and welcome to our Legal Shield presentation. My name is Kim Melia, and it is my honor and privilege to be able to talk to you today about our unique service with Legal Shield. So when I first joined Legal Shield, I had actually never used an attorney before, or my family members. Why? Well, simply because we were priced out of the system. And now I've used the membership over 120 times since I've been with Legal Shield. It's been absolutely peace of mind and security. So let me ask you just a few things here that you can think of how you could use the membership, or you could have used the membership, or somebody that you know. Have you ever signed a contract that maybe you wish you wouldn't have, right? Maybe been treated unfairly or overcharged for repair? How about received a traffic ticket? I've had a few of those on my own. Or known a victim of identity theft, or maybe been a victim of identity theft yourself. You could have been in a situation that you thought an advice from an attorney would be useful. Now, folks, let's just talk about this. The top 10% have access to the legal system. Why? It's because they can afford it. They're rich. They can afford the system. The bottom 10% have access to what? The public defender system. And the 80% of us that are left, the middle class North Americans, don't have access to the system. Why? Because we have to check our pocketbooks before we check our rights. So that means what? The color of justice is green. That's not really that fair. So what is Legal Shield? Legal Shield is a unique service and a priceless benefit. Legal Shield gives you the ability to talk to an attorney on any matter without worrying about high hourly costs. Let's just talk about that for a moment. I believe that the average person makes about $15 to $20 an hour. Let's just say 15. And approximately, let's just guesstimate that an attorney is about $200 an hour. Now, if you put those on scales at $15 an hour and $200 an hour for an attorney, those scales are completely unbalanced. It just doesn't make sense to call an attorney for a $50 issue if you have to spend an extra $200 to resolve that issue. It says equal justice under law on the Supreme Court building. And is that really reality? No, it really should say equal justice under law for those of us who can afford it, right? So here's what we're doing in Legal Shield. We're going to have you to have access back to those rights that you have. For one flat monthly fee, you can have access to the legal system no matter how traumatic or how trivial the issue is, no matter how big or how small that issue is. So that's why under the protection of Legal Shield, you and your family can live your life on your terms, worry-free every day, every night, now and forever. So let's just talk about our benefits that we cover here right now. But I want you to know that over 2 million requests come in annually just to use our membership. I'll go through the benefits with you, and I'll give you a couple examples of how I've personally used the membership as well. So let's jump right into it. Legal advice on unlimited issues. What's unlimited issues? It's unlimited on any personal or business-related matters. Now, letters and phone calls made on your behalf. When the provider law firm believes that it will be in your best interest and maybe help rectify the situation, they'll do those for you. Because here's what happens. When you write a letter, guess where it goes? It goes to the complaint department. And when the law firm writes a letter, it goes to the legal department. Which department do you think they respond to first? Obviously, the legal department. We also will do contract and document reviews up to 10 pages. I recently used this part of the membership just the other day. I was applying for dual citizenship. I faxed over my contract over to the attorneys, to the law firm, and they went ahead and actually called me back the same day. Normally, it takes about 3 business days, but they call me back that same day to review that contract. Now, if you know anything about having to do with immigration, you know if you make one little mistake on a document, as a matter of fact, any document, it could take a lot of time and money to go back and obviously fix that. So I didn't want to have that happen. So we reviewed every single thing in that dual citizenship. And you know what? I had forgotten just a few things. So thank goodness I had that reviewed, and it was just peace of mind and security. Now, we all know that having a will, a living will, and a healthcare power of attorney is a good idea, but folks, we include that in your membership. And for your spouse, just an additional $20. It's a responsibility that we have with our family, isn't it? It's a love letter that we leave our family, and it's just something that we should get done. Traffic-related issues. Think about this. If you ever get a speeding ticket or if you're in a car accident, wouldn't it be nice to have consultation of an attorney before you actually have to go to court? How about trial defense? Trial defense has 2 options. You can choose the best one that meets your needs, includes pretrial and representation at that trial. How about 24/7 emergency access? Don't you think that good people get into bad situations from 5 p.m. to 9 a.m.? Of course things can happen. You could get questioned, detained, arrested. Child services might show up at your door at 2 o'clock in the morning on Christmas. Who would you call? You can call your Legal Shield law firm. That's who you would call. We also have a 25% membership discount, and I love discounts. So think about this. On things that you would have called an attorney anyways, any high-ticketed items like a bankruptcy, a divorce, a child custody, immigration, or incorporating a company, you now can have a 25% membership discount. IRS audit assistance. Now, folks, I'm afraid to be audited. Are you afraid to be audited? Sure. Wouldn't it be nice to have a tax attorney's time pre-audit, and during the audit, you have access to that as well. And of course, online legal forms you also have access to. All right, so if you were my attorney, what would you charge me for these services on a monthly basis, not an hourly basis? Now wait, right before you answer that question, let's talk about our identity theft plan. Did you know that identity theft is the #1 complaint in America of the 21st century? Folks, think about this. People say, I don't shop on the internet, I shred everything, and my identity won't get compromised. Now, first of all, you can stop identity theft, but you can nip it in the bud. Folks, you've already have your identity out there. When you were born, we all were born, right? We had our identity first given out to doctors, our social security number, to dentists. We also gave it out when we first went to school or to college. So it's out there. Identity theft manifests itself in so many different ways. Here's just a few. Credit fraud, social security fraud, driver's license fraud. Well, victims often face issues such as problems securing a loan, harassment from debt collectors, possible arrests from crimes committed by the identity thief. Your identity theft plan is provided by Kroll Advisory Solutions. The membership covers credit monitoring and activity alerts, credit report and score analysis, credit report consultation to help prevent identity theft. Plus, here's where it sets us apart. We'll restore your credit back to where the original state was. Kroll will just ask you to sign a temporary power of attorney over to them, and then they will go do the countless hours to restore your identity back to you. You don't have to spend that time. They'll also issue fraud alerts to various agencies. Now, Safeguard for Minors is a great option for you. Just for an additional $1 for your children, you can make sure that nobody else is stealing your children's identity. Folks, there's 3-year-olds who have jobs, 5-year-olds who have houses already. It just doesn't make any sense, but here's what makes sense: to protect them with our Safeguard for Minors. Combined with legal plan creates complete coverage. You may be wondering, what kind of companies are behind a service like this? Legal Shield puts professionals to work to provide the protection you deserve. We have dedicated provider law firms, quality control at the highest standards, who are monitored by Legal Shield. What does that mean? That means the law firm has to pick up the phone within 3 business rings. They have to call you back within 8 business hours. And they actually go to customer service school. And if you've ever used an attorney, you'll be thankful that they have to do that. So our attorneys are prepaid and they're ready to advise you. Kroll Advisory Solutions. They're the world's leading risk consulting firm, a Fortune 500 clientele, and they're prepaid and ready to advise you as well. Legal Shield's customer service professionals ensure our members get the service that they deserve. So let's talk about the value and the price that we have here with Legal Shield. I asked you, how much would you charge me on a monthly, not yearly basis if you were my attorney? Well, most folks would say, or law firms would say, anywhere from $500 to $1,000 to $10,000 a month, or most actual law firms say, I don't even want to go near it. We don't want to touch that. We don't know how many times you're going to call us. We have no idea exactly how many times you're going to use your membership. So here, let me explain our best value combinations that we have to offer you. Our standard legal plan is $17 a month. With the Identity Theft Shield, $9.95, which includes your spouse, is just $26.95 a month. You'll also have access to our expanded legal plan, which has more trial defense time on there for $26 a month. Identity Theft Shield included for $9.95, include your spouse again, for just $35.95 a month. There is just a one-time $10 enrollment fee in your first month. Please make sure you review your brochure for your selected plans and states of residence for the full details and benefits, limitations, and exclusions of this membership.